In part 3 of our 3-part series of troubleshooting electric motors, let's talk about a grounded winding. Okay, so in electric motors, the metal case of the motor will be connected to ground. And so we would never want any of our motor windings connected to our ground. And so if we were to measure between winding number 1 here and ground, we should not have any resistance, or there shouldn't be any continuity between motor winding 1 and ground. Same thing with motor winding 2 and ground. There shouldn't be any continuity. We do not want one of these energized windings connected to our grounded case of our motor. Same thing with winding number 3 here. We would not want it connected to ground. Okay, in the event that there were a grounded winding, so in this case, let's say winding number 1 was connected to ground, or we have a grounded winding here. If we measure now between winding number 1 and ground, and we measure resistance, okay, or very low resistance, now we know that those two are connected, and we have a motor that is malfunctioning.